Puerto Vallarta is known as a fabulous destination for its weather, its vibe, and of course, its beaches. Stay tuned and I'll tell you about some of the most emblematic beaches of Puerto Vallarta. Los Muertos is one of the closest beaches to downtown Puerto Vallarta and the Malecón. There's plenty to do there. You can swim, paraglide, banana boat, jet ski, just about everything. Eat in one of its beautiful restaurants or drink a sunset cocktail. It may be one of the most popular, but it's certainly not one of the most beautiful we have. For our stunning beaches, you need to go a little bit further afield. Take where we are now, for example, at Playa Garza Blanca. Here you can go snorkeling in the beautiful, calm sea and enjoy the white sand beach. We're on the south shore, about 15 minutes from downtown. Another emblematic beach on the south shore is Playa Gemelas. Called Playa Gemelas, meaning twins, there are two secluded beaches next to each other. It's a little further away, about 20 minutes from downtown Vallarta, but it's well worth the journey. There are those two small coves of white sand look over turquoise waters. And the access is easy too. There's a bus that goes right from downtown. You can grab a cab or jump in an Uber. And you shouldn't miss Miss Maloya Beach. The cove was made famous by the Night of the Iguana, and it's a stunning backdrop where the mountain meets the ocean. There you can relax in the sand and enjoy really fresh fish straight from the ocean. And in Miss Maloya, you'll be right up close to Los Arcos Marine Park. Several boat tours go from there and you can enjoy snorkeling around Los Arcos. And if you're feeling a little bit more adventurous and want to go further afield, try Colomitos Beach. This is a beautiful paradise hidden away from traffic. In fact, you can only get there by walking. There's a trail from Boca de Tomatlan which takes about an hour, or a 5-minute water taxi ride. And at Colomitos, there's a small creek and a waterfall you can explore as well. That small hidden paradise is one of my personal favorites. And while we're still on the South Shore, Las Animas Beach is a perfect example of southern beauty. It has more restaurants and fresh food to enjoy than the other smaller beaches, so it's well worth a visit. If you're up for a little bit more adventure while you're there, you should try Las Animas Adventure Park. There's a canopy tour, hanging bridges, and a bit more of a wild ride. Rock climbing, and even a tequila tour. Well, those are some of my top picks for Vallarta's iconic beaches. Come and see them for yourselves. If you need some help locating to this specific beauty, just call Elengorn Realtors. Elengorn Realtors is an independent real estate company here in Puerto Vallarta. I'm Sarah Elengorn, and thank you so much for watching the Elengorn Review.